Imagine stepping into a world where every corner exudes sophistication, comfort, and undeniable style. Welcome to a journey through a luxury two-story Reno home, where each space is a masterpiece in design and relaxation. From the grand aerial views of the sleek architecture to intimate, serene settings like the master bedroom, you're about to explore a seamless blend of modern elegance and cozy charm. Each area in this home radiates tranquility, inviting you to envision the beauty and luxury that could be your own. Let's kick off this journey with a sweeping aerial view of this luxurious two-story Reno home. From above, you can appreciate the sleek lines, lush landscaping, and stunning rooftop terraces that give this residence its iconic charm. The architecture combines white marble facades and expansive glass panels, creating a modern yet inviting ambiance. You'll see how each element fits together to create a balanced, elegant design, framed by manicured pathways and a lush green lawn. As we approach the entrance, it's impossible not to feel drawn in by the elegance of this Reno-style front door. Sleek, dark wood panels with metallic accents, flanked by large glass panels, exude a sophisticated welcome. The steps, clad in polished stone, lead up to an inviting yet grand entryway that hints at the luxury within. Modern lighting softly illuminates the doorway, enhancing the refined feel while keeping it warm and inviting. Our next stop is the heart of the home, the luxurious living room that redefines comfort and style. Floor-to-ceiling windows flood the space with natural light, bouncing off the pristine marble floors and making the room feel even more expansive. A plush, oversized sectional invites you to sink in and unwind, while sleek metallic accents add a touch of sophistication. The minimalist decor and open layout create a sense of airy relaxation, letting the beauty of each element shine. Welcome to the kitchen, where luxury meets functionality in the most tasteful way. A spacious marble island with seating makes this kitchen a gathering spot as much as a workspace. The sleek gray cabinetry and high-end appliances create a clean, sophisticated look, while under-cabinet lighting adds a warm glow. Each detail, from the metallic hardware to the seamless marble surfaces, exudes refinement and attention to quality. Our next stop is a haven of tranquility, the master bedroom where luxury meets serene simplicity. Bathed in natural light from the expansive windows, this space is designed for relaxation, with soft, muted tones and luxurious bedding. The minimalistic decor keeps the focus on comfort, allowing the room's beauty to be felt in every plush detail. A subtle marble accent wall adds an understated elegance, enhancing the room's calming atmosphere. Let's take a moment to relax in this luxurious, spa-like bathroom. With floor-to-ceiling marble, a deep soaking tub, and a walk-in rainfall shower, this space is a masterpiece in both form and function. Subtle lighting adds to the soothing ambiance, creating a tranquil environment for ultimate relaxation. Every detail, from the sleek vanity to the elegant fixtures, has been carefully selected for both beauty and ease. The dining area invites you to gather and enjoy, blending luxury with a sense of warmth and togetherness. A marble-top table takes center stage, complemented by plush, modern seating that brings both style and comfort to the space. Overhead, soft lighting casts a warm glow, perfect for intimate dinners or lively gatherings. The minimalistic decor keeps the focus on high-quality materials and elegant design, letting each element shine without distraction. We end our tour in the breathtaking outdoor space, a luxurious patio retreat that's perfect for relaxation and gatherings alike. Stylish lounge furniture sits against a backdrop of lush greenery, creating an oasis of calm and beauty. A modern fire pit adds warmth, making this outdoor area inviting all year round. With its clean lines and sophisticated design, this patio blends seamlessly with the home's architecture.